Presenting the Redmi Note 11 Pro Plus 5G. It comes in color options of Mirage Blue, Phantom White, and Stealth Black. The phone has display of 15 minutes. The phone also has superior performance, Gorilla Glass 5 and 120Hz refresh rate. Super AMOLED display on beautiful glass. It has 8MP ultra-wide and 2MP macro sensor for flawless photography and 108MP triple camera. It is powered by Snapdragon 695 5G. It also features 5G enabled with support for 7 5G bands, Gorilla Glass 5 protection and Ear Blaster. X-axis linear vibration motor, 108MP HM2 primary sensor, 8MP ultra-wide, 2MP macro sensor, video recording support up to 1080p at 30 fps, slow motion support, short video, panorama, document mode, time-lapse, long exposure, movie frame, dual video, timed burst, pro mode, night mode and 3.5mm jack. The delivery box contains Redmi Note 11 Pro Plus 5G, power adapter and USB cable. SIM eject tool, warranty card and user guide. Product comes with standard brand warranty. For further information visit the product detail page.